Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Shivani and this is my channel where I create beauty and skincare content. Today I'm going to tell you guys how to bleach at home on your own. But before we do that, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel right away, and do not forget to hit that bell icon because you guys do not want to miss out on anything. Now, without wasting a single moment, let me quickly take you to the video. Let me just start by telling you what exactly bleach is and what does it do to your skin. So basically, bleach is a chemical substance, of course, and it helps to lighten your skin, lighten the hair, remove tan, exfoliate the upper layer, remove the dark spots, and just make your skin overall look even toned. I know a lot of people are scared of bleach, or they just don't want to bleach, or they just don't understand how bleach works. So let me just tell you with my own experience. I've been bleaching my skin, my face, my body since many years now, and it really suits my skin, It just makes my skin brighter, it just makes my skin glowy. A lot of people bleach their skin because of the different reasons. For me, I just bleach it to maintain the overall health of my skin. I don't really need to worry about the hair on my skin. Thanks to my Nepali genes, I don't have much hair, but just to make my skin look brighter and glowy, so I just do it once in a month. I prefer doing it in the night, and I prefer cleaning up my skin after the bleach, maybe on the same day or the next day after the bleach. So today I'm just going to show you, how exactly I bleach my skin. Now, very important, what bleach to exactly use. Let me tell you that I've tried a lot of bleaches, oxy bleach or silver, gold, and all sorts of things that I've tried. But I've just stuck to one bleach for these many years because it has really worked for me. So I'm just going to vouch on that, and the bleach that I'm talking about is Olivia Herbal Bleach. I have been using it for many years now. I can't even remember. This bleach is with haldi, chandan, aloe vera and nimbu, and this one just works for my skin. I've tried so many other bleaches, and I have to tell you, they didn't really work on my skin. Either they used to make my skin very sensitive or red, or they used to burn a lot. So this one is something that I've really stuck to for these many years, and I can completely vouch for it. It's herbal. Now I'll tell you what exactly is there inside this box. This is not a sponsored video. This is something which I genuinely love, so I just thought I must share it with you guys. So this is the bleach, and this is the activator. It also has a small spatula for you to apply it. I don't really use it, I prefer my hand. You just have to mix the equal amount of the bleach and the activator. Some people don't use a lot of activator, but I can tell you it's safe to use the activator, because only then I think it will work on your skin perfectly. So I just mix everything that this box has. This size is perfect for my face and my neck. This is 8 grams and only for 30 rupees. You don't need to go to salon to get your bleach done. You can do it at home on your own and save on a lot of money. So yeah, let's do it now. Okay, so I've mixed the entire bleach and the activator. I've mixed it really well and kept it for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to apply it on my face. Before you apply it on your face, be very careful about your skin type, because if your skin type is dry, then the bleach will make your skin drier. So it's better if you apply a little bit moisturizer before you start applying the bleach. Since my skin is already oily, I'm not going to apply any moisturizer. I'm directly going to jump to the bleach. I'm applying it evenly on my face all over, covering the hair on the sides. This burns a little, so it's better to sit under the fan while applying it. Burns a lot. Don't go too close to your eyes. Okay, so I've washed my face and gotten rid of the bleach. I think my skin looks much more cleaner and brighter. But let me tell you, you will see the actual result of bleach only after a day or two, as in you'll start seeing a nice glow on your face because of the bleach. I don't know why that happens, but in my case, I tend to see the glow after 1 or 2 days. Okay, so now I'm going to also clean my face a little bit, nothing much, just the scrubbing and the face pack. So to scrub my face, I'm taking the Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Skin Exfoliating Scrub. This is what I've been using for some time now. I'm just going to take some scrub and put it all over my face and then start scrubbing it. Since I've just bleached my face, I'm going to be very gentle with my skin. In case, if your skin is sensitive and your skin has become red after the bleach, don't do it right away, Just give it a day and then maybe next day you can do it. Or you can choose to just not do it at all. But I just think that, if you clean up your face after bleaching, the entire process just, gets enhanced and your skin gets very clean. Washed my face. Now I'm going to apply the face pack. I'm taking Lotus Herbals Clay White Black Clay Skin Whitening Face Pack. This is for all skin types. The brighter looking skin, I'm just going to apply it all over my face. This smells like clay itself. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it for 10-15 minutes or till it just dries. I think that will be 10-15 minutes and then come back to you again. Okay guys, that's it. I've washed my face and now I'm going to just follow it up with my usual skincare routine, which is toning, moisturizing, under eye cream, sunscreen. So just do what you do on a regular basis after this. Just make sure that you don't apply soap for a couple of hours at least, because you've bleached your face. And just moisturize your skin a lot, because after bleaching your skin tends to become a little dry. So just moisturize it. That's it and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I am going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love.